Good morning, everyone. I'm Puneet, and this is Josh. Today, we're diving into the future of banking with TRIYO, the platform whose data is driving the next wave of AI in financial institutions. In today's AI-driven world, many organizations struggle with disconnected and irrelevant data, spending millions to organize it for insights. Imagine if you could collect contextual information at the source of your processes. Wouldn't that be transformative? Well, TRIYO can do that for you. Collect data, analyze processes, and supercharge your AI all in one place. Let's see how TRIYO connects the dots so you don't have to. Take an example from the banking industry, specifically the process of investigating anti-money laundering. When Josh logs in as an investigator, he sees all the information related to the investigations in one place. This dashboard, by the way, is totally configurable. As suspicious transactions are alerted, they get updated on this dashboard. As existing investigations are updated, they're reflected on this dashboard as well. One place to track progress. Now let's dive into one of these transactions and show you the power of TRIYO's data collection. TRIYO allows you to collect data in dynamic fields inside the investigation or through configurable forms and portals. TRIYO's secret sauce: to seamlessly integrate with existing applications like Salesforce, Microsoft Office, Oracle, and others to extract, aggregate, centralize, structure unstructured data. Let's demonstrate this by going into Form 1, which connects to the CRM system to capture the user data as part of this investigation. Josh, let's click on Auto Populate. With a click of a button, user information can be collected in one place to kick off this investigation. You can even enter manual information in the configurable fields. Now, as we go to the next section, we'll demonstrate how TRIYO connects to your legacy systems as well, like the transaction management systems that are being run at banks. Let's auto-populate the transaction information for this investigation and start tagging it for regulatory purposes. Look at this. In one place, you can compile, tag, and store relevant transactions that have to be filed with the regulator. Now let's go to the next section and confirm the investigator's intent to file this with the regulator. And as Josh is doing that, you will see that the process gets automatically updated and the dashboard gets automatically updated, so you have full visibility into how this process is going. But that's not all. We all know that many high-value processes are not just run on platforms and systems. They generally go off-platform as well. Well, TRIYO can help with that. TRIYO links with email and chat clients to record relevant context, and this is how this works. Josh, let's go to your email and show the audience how easy it is to connect communication with the investigation process. With a click of a button in the TRIYO add-in, you can attach the email to the existing investigation on TRIYO. Once the email is sent, all relevant communication will be tracked under that process. Josh, let's send the email out and go back to the add-in to show the audience the audit trail where the initial communication gets tagged to that process. Full visibility into the process at your fingertips. To demonstrate the full value of this, let's go back to the platform and show the audit trail of a completed AML process. Check this out. Our audit trail gives you full end-to-end discovery of the process. In this case, the investigation. You not only have full access to the email back and forth, but you also have an audit trail that gives you how the forms are filled out and any other things that happened as part of this process. Full transparency in any process. We'll come back to this audit trail in a bit. But while Josh sets up for the next part of the demo, we just want to highlight that financial crimes and compliance use cases like AML are just one of the examples of things that we're doing with our clients. Client onboarding, data management, deal management, trade reconciliation breaks, loan transaction management, and many more. TRIYO is there for you, and we have you covered. Now let's talk about the analytics into your process. Immediate value that TRIYO can provide with the collection of this contextual information. Let's go to the dashboard. TRIYO offers 360-degree view with customizable dashboards. It provides unparalleled visibility and detailed reports. This isn't just data. It's live, actionable intelligence at your fingertips. And you don't have an analyst sitting there creating Excel reports for this, although we do have download functionality for those people that want to use it. Let's go back to our original premise, how this data can prepare you for AI. TRIYO's contextual process tag data can supercharge your AI, Gen AI, and LLM models. So use it to train them. More importantly, TRIYO's AI can analyze your processes for you. Let's go back to the audit trail of the process we had shown earlier and ask TRIYO AI to summarize this process. When you do that, this is contextual information right at your fingertips. Now imagine having this data collected for 50, 500, 50,000 AML processes predicting probabilities that a transaction needs to be filed with the regulator, and that probability changing as the data is getting collected live. Now, before I conclude, let me leave you with this final thought. Today, you'll hear a lot about AI and see many demos encouraging you to implement that at your organization. However, you might face challenges because your data is not ready. We are different. Visit us to learn how our data tagging and contextual information can prepare you to supercharge your AI engagements. Thank you for joining us today. Let's unlock the potential of your data. Come see us at our booth.